How to cancel sending a ticket on Seatgeek.
The very first thing you wanna do is to head over to any of the web browser. Let me head over to Google Chrome. Once you're in here, in the search bar, search for Seatgeek. Different sites will be available to you in this page. Head over to the very first one. Enter your login credentials such as your email address and the password, and then sign in to your specific account. Once you have been signed in, it will land you on this page. Click on your profile at the top right corner, and then head over to tickets. Well, in this ticket section, over here you can see it says your tickets will appear here, which means that the tickets that you have purchased will be available in here. Click on the specific tickets if you have it.
Right beside the tickets, the option of cancel will be visible to you. All you want to do is click on it. After that, the tickets you are sending will be cancelled, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can cancel sending a tickets on Seatgeek. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for staying with us till the end.